ELI 5. What was so special about Albert Einstein and his work? The man is a byword for genius. But what exactly was so consequential about his findings? How does it affect the modern world? In a single year, Einstein produced 4 papers, any one of which could have potentially won him a Nobel Prize. His paper on the photoelectric effect was the push needed to make quantum mechanics a mainstream theory. His paper on Brownian motion explained how much of what we consider bulk properties of matter are actually statistical effects of enormous numbers of tiny particles. His paper on special relativity explained one of the largest mysteries of the time, why and how the speed of light is always measured the same for all, and basically created a whole branch of physics. His paper on mass-energy equivalence not only explained natural phenomenon like how the stars are fueled, it also laid the bedrock for the entirety of nuclear science. Again, all 4 of these papers were enormously influential, groundbreaking pieces of science, and this was just his output during his so-called miracle year. They created or gave concrete arguments for whole fields of physics. The topics they cover are still used today in everything from microchip design to GPS satellites, from nuclear reactor to space telescopes. It would be hard to find a piece of modern technology that isn't, at least in some way, influenced by Einstein's work. Yep, all that in 1905 would have been enough to cement his reputation, and then he comes back a decade later with general relativity and basically redefines gravity not as a force, like Newton thought of it, but as a curving of spacetime. Mind-blowing shit.